morning, what's going on? It's Jazz and I'm kind of freaking out right now. I'm a little bit on edge because I'm supposed to be going to Splendor in like 2 days. Yep, I'm supposed to be leaving for Splendor in literally 2 days and I currently have 0 outfits. And okay, I'm not some big ticket celebrity or anything and maybe 3 people are gonna care what I'm wearing, me being one of them. But you know, I still wanna have a cool outfit, you know? I don't wanna be wearing just a t-shirt. But also I have 0 money, so yeah, that's a problem. So I'm trying to make my own Splendor outfits. That's the kind of vision I have. With currently 2 days ticking down, I'm not sure how exactly that's gonna happen, but I have a couple ideas and so I'm gonna try to smash it out and like bring my visions to life. I've never done anything like this before. I literally barely know how to sew. Yeah, let's just get started because we're running out of time. By we, I mean me. I'm desperately running out of time. And I also have a lot of other shit to do in this next 2 days. I have work, I have like dinner plans. I'm busy, okay? But yeah, let's start with the first thing that I plan to do. And if this vision turns out the way I think it is, I think it's gonna be the most epic thing ever. Like the vision I have in my mind, sick. I'm gonna look awesome. But I feel like the probability that's gonna work out is kind of low. But yeah, let's just jump into my first vision. I'm gonna show you guys what I've got planned. So, I've bought myself a million ties, all in this like color family. See, how fun does this look? I think this looks so cool. But yeah, I've got, how many ties do I even have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And they're all kind of like pinky, purpley colors. So yeah, my current plan is to sew these into a skirt. Hopefully it will turn into a skirt that will fit me. I didn't even measure it. I was like, oh yeah, I'll need about 9 ties. Okay, step 1, unpick the ties and hopefully make more fabric. Step 2, measure it, I guess. Step 3, make a skirt. Let's get this going. Also, I got my nails done for Splendor, which this is the first time I've ever gotten my nails done in my life. So I got the rainbow pastel trend that's like super going on right now. See? Oh, I'm obsessed. I think it looks so sick. But yeah, this is the first time I've ever gotten my nails done ever, and I love it. All right, guys. So I've currently got my quick unpick. This is just like a mini saw. It's like a tiny knife. And then I've also got Glee running. So the first thing I'm gonna do is flip my tie over and then it's all held together by little stitches. So I'm gonna get my quick unpick. We could just get a knife or scissors or anything like that and try rip the stitches off. And then I rip the tag off, ripped whatever that thing is that's on every tie. But I'm basically just unpicking all the stitches in this tie so that we can have a flat piece of fabric and just like get rid of everything. So I ripped out the thingamajig that makes the tie flat and just, so once I'd done that, I arranged all the ties in the kind of order I'd planned to sew them together. So this is the color order I thought would look good. So there's all my ties like unpicked and laid out. And so you can see I have so much more fabric than before. I can like double the amount of fabric I had. And then I flip them over, line them up. So you want them the good edge together. And then I tried to pin them in place. So you want to pin so you know where to sew. So I pinned all along, not all along, I put in like 4 pins along the line where I wanted to sew so I could hold it together. So my vision for this was just to make a big flat piece of fabric. And so then I sewed along where all those pins are. I wish I could give you guys more sewing tips, but I'm probably not the best expert or anything like that. I put my fabric in, I pressed the foot button and it sewed things together. I basically sewed along where all those pins are so I could make a big flat piece of fabric made out of those 10 ties. But I didn't sew all the way up to the top of the tie because I knew I was going to cut some of it off. Like I knew my skirt wasn't going to be that long. So I just sewed up where I thought I would need it to be, which isn't a very accurate description, but maybe like measure how long one of your normal skirts is and then sew it up to that point. All right, so it's taken me about 3 Glee episodes, but I finally sewed all the ties together. Ding. Oh, yes, I know. Look at it. And I marked on the ties like how long I think it should be, but then I cut it and sewed it up a little higher just to give me a bit of room if I usually make things way too short. Because I'm like, oh yeah, it'll be cropped or it'll be, I don't know, a mini skirt, and then it's basically just a pair of underwear. So yeah, that's what I've done so far. But now I think, because I see like I undid all the ties, and so now I think it'd make really cute pleats if I like sewed it here. So what I have currently, is enough to go around me, and then I have like about this much more fabric. So my plan is to like make these little pleats. So I'll sew it like this, maybe a little bit down, so it makes more of like a tennis skirt looking vibe. So it's got these cute little pleats on it. I can't really be bothered measuring the fabric, so I'm just gonna do that, and I hope it's enough to wrap around me. And then I'm gonna continue the plan from there. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing that. I'm kind of second guessing myself, but I think it's gonna be fine. Like if it ends up being not enough fabric, I'll run to an op shop and buy another purplish tie. Holy shit, I'm freaking out. This looks so much cooler than I thought it was going to. I'm actually okay, I've literally never sewed before until this moment, and I'm so impressed with myself. And if I can do this, you can definitely do it. And this bit only took me like half a Glee episode, so I'm getting quicker. Okay, but look at what I just did. So basically, on the inside, it looks like a bloody mess. A big bloody mess. But what I did was I like tried to sew pleats into it. So how do I even show this? So you can see all the little pleats I sewed. You can see that. I hope you can. But now I just need to finish it off without completely destroying it. I guess I can always like unpick it if I destroy it. And also I bought the perfect amount of ties. For some reason, I think it's gonna just fit around my waist. I just don't know what I want to do to finish it. Like I could put a zip on it. Maybe I could use buttons. I could use like the tops of these ties to maybe like make like a waistband. Yeah, that's good. Or a black ribbon or something. I'm unsure. But I'll show you it on. See, look, I've made like the perfect amount of fabric. I think this is just gonna fit me. Maybe if I suck in. So that's what it looks like so far. I think I'm gonna make this bit the front because I've made it a bit shorter for some reason. Okay, it looks like it doesn't fit. But once I like sew this bit up, yeah, okay, I think I'm gonna have to do a zip, or otherwise I'm not gonna be able to get it on. Oh no, it might be like a tiny bit too small. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Guys. I genuinely feel like some sort of fashion genius right now. Like, get me a spot on Project Runway, I can handle it. Because literally, I made this shit. I made this and I'm so impressed with myself. So I didn't end up showing you what I did. I've been to Splendor and I've come back, by the way. I feel like I forgot to finish the last bit of this video because I was literally rushing to like get everything done. But what I ended up doing was sewing this like black ribbon to the top and then making it into like a side tie. And then I sewed like a zip onto it. I know. I googled how to sew a zip onto something and then I did it. It was literally not even that hard. I didn't know how to do that at all before. Yes, it looks a little bit dodgy, but you know, it's a festival. Most people aren't even wearing clothes, so it's fine. But yeah, ended up looking like this. Doesn't this just look adorable? I like this side more than the other side just because I'm more of a purple person than a pink person. But yeah, I tried to arrange the ties so they'd be like an aesthetic order. But yeah, it looks so cute. Do you even see this? I literally made it. I made this. But yeah, I'm so impressed with myself. You don't even understand. I ended up spending $0 on outfits. Okay, not $0, like $5. Like not very many dollars, okay? Considering some people will spend a lot of dollars, I probably spent $20. You know, between buying all the stuff from the thrift shop, buying these ties. But yeah, the point is, I did it, everyone. I made 3 festival outfits with 0 money and a whole lot of creativity, and I didn't look completely trash. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I wore on each day. It was so much fun, honestly. Like the music was awesome. I just had the best time. And making my outfits was just fun. Like I would never have been challenged to make something like this if I wasn't poor and had a festival to go to. But yeah, it was super fun. To be honest, this tutorial wasn't very informative because I literally had no idea what I was doing the whole time. But if I could do this, you could 100% do it, and it wasn't even that hard. Like, basically the fabric's all done for you and you just gotta sew the ties straight down together, boom, you have a skirt. Like it wasn't even that hard. I'm planning on doing a lot more thrift flip videos in the future because this has actually just inspired me to like the maximum. So I think I'm some sort of fashion genius now and I'm gonna make a whole bunch of like runway outfits or something. But yeah, I'm super inspired. I've been seeing a lot of things that I could potentially do, and I just aim is to look unique and save money because I don't want to be wearing the same clothes everybody else is wearing, but I also don't want to buy expensive things. And so boom, solution, make it yourself. I can do that, apparently, and so can you. Subscribe if you're impressed with me, because I am. Thumbs up this video if you're impressed with me. Maybe I'm the only one impressed with me and it wasn't even that impressive. I just think I'm some top shit now and I'm really not. But yeah, please subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.